Hi there, I'm Dr. Hertz over at the Scottsdale Veterinary Clinic. With Halloween, Thanksgiving, and the holidays coming up, I have a few questions to answer today about some common food toxicities.
My dog ate a small piece of milk chocolate. Is it really that big of a deal if it wasn't dark chocolate?
All chocolate is toxic. It might not cause some of the heart and neurologic issues, but still would recommend staying away from all chocolate because it can still cause some GI issues.
If my dog ate a small amount of sugar-free gum with xylitol and seems fine, do I still need to bring them in immediately?
Definitely. All xylitol is very toxic. Can make their blood sugar levels drop and cause liver failure. So any signs of xylitol ingestion, bring them in right away.
How can I tell the difference between a minor stomach ache from table scraps and a serious symptom of poisoning?
Usually the big things I look at are how's their appetite, are they still eating, how's their energy, is their belly tense. If you're seeing any of those symptoms, that's usually a sign that it might be a little bit more worth bringing in to be checked out. If they're eating, their energy is okay, might be able to monitor at home.
I use a brand of peanut butter that isn't on the blog. How do I know if it contains xylitol?
It should be on the label, but usually some kind of cheats are, is it sugar-free, or does it say any added sweeteners in there?
What's a safe way to treat my dog if I want to give them something sweet or a small piece of human food?
Should generally try to stay away from sweets, especially because it's not in their normal diet. Carrots, green beans are nice low-calorie alternatives. If you need to do a little bit of meat, make sure it's skinless and no seasoning involved.
Are grapes and raisins equally dangerous for cats, or is the toxicity limited to dogs?
It's very toxic for dogs, so any ingestion, make sure you're calling and bringing them in right away. Cats, there's a lot less data, but they do have very sensitive kidneys, and they're not meant to eat fruits and things, so stay away and let us know if they do get into it.
If my dog ate a grape, should I try to make them throw it up at home?
Ideally, bring them in for us to do that. We have some good medications that can get them to vomit. Some of the at-home remedies don't work as well and can cause some other issues.
My dog has an upset stomach. Could it be from a food on this list, even if I'm not aware of them eating it?
Yeah, dogs are great at getting into things we don't know of. We do a lot of surgery, unfortunately, and a lot of dogs who eat things that owners don't know about. So sometimes it's pretty tough to figure out what they ate, but definitely could be a reason.
Is there a certain amount of chocolate per pound that is considered toxic to dogs?
There is, although it can be complicated because it depends on how concentrated that chocolate is, whether it's milk chocolate, or dark chocolate. We have some good calculators, and there's also pet poison that can help figure this out. So if you know how much the dog ate and their size, we can figure that out for you.
The blog says the toxin in grapes is a mystery. Does that make them more dangerous than something with a known toxin like chocolate?
Not generally. They are starting to figure things out a little bit more with grapes, but for some dogs it can even be 1 or 2 and it can cause kidney failure. Some dogs can eat more and be okay, but any ingestion is a serious risk.